Good morning, YouTube. Today is March 8th, and I'm here in Luzerne County going for wild brown trout in a tributary to another tributary of Fishing Creek. And that's all I'm expecting to catch is wild browns today. Not much else in here. There might be native brook trout upstream, but that's all I'm expecting to catch is wild browns. I'm here with my friend Trevor. He's upstream, so I gotta go catch up to him, and I'll see you guys on the water. It's a good, oh, that was a good cast. It's like right in there. Oh, I missed him. I had something. It was small though, but it looked gold. It looked a little brown, or like yellow, not brown. That's the thing with a live bait. They bite on it once, a good chance they'll bite on it again, unlike a spinner. All right, let me get one deep cast in there. Oh, I sunk that to the bottom. Control it. It's right where I want it. There we go. Yo. All right, caught a little wild brown here. This is mostly what we're going to be after today. It's got pretty neat markings on him. All right, let him go. I don't know where he went. There he goes. So today, oh, this is a very good example of me hooking a piece of bait on and go through correctly. But anyway. Oh, nice. My friend just caught one while I'm struggling to put this worm on right now. All right, so today, using butterworms, at least I am at the moment. I was on spinners, wasn't catching much. I just caught that little one off of butterworms, and my friend up there, he just caught an even bigger wild brown on a spinner. So maybe I could get up to him and we could see it real quick. Nice brown, a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's got good color though. All right, we're at 2-1 right now. And Trevor just caught a native brook trout. Wasn't expecting that one. A little native brookie. Nope, we got one. Another nice wild brown. Oh, he's really fighting. He's not that big. He's maybe 10 inches. Oh yeah. Very happy with this one. This is a really nice brown. Trying to get my stuff in my pocket. Gotta wet our hands real quick. This is a really nice brown though. Completely wild, not stocked. About maybe 11 inches, maybe 12. I have probably 11 though. There he goes. All right, don't get too close up there. You really did that, didn't you? I'm about to say, you are not going to ruin that spot for me. Fine, what happens here? Oh. What is that? I think that's another native brookie. That is another native brookie. Oh, nope, it's a wild brown. That was a native brook. I got excited. Really good colors on him. He's got like those nice pink dots right there. Orange and yellow, and this looks really nice in the sun right now. All right, let's put him back. There he goes. Trevor's on one right now. I was just setting up the camera. Ooh, it's nice. Nice brown, looks like. Zoom in on that. Yeah, we got a little bit of blurriness right now. That is just such a big hole to only have one fish lurking in there. Got that nice beautiful waterfall right there. Straight up the gorge. Pretty neat. Yep, Trevor's on one right now. Looks pretty nice from the side, from that bend. Oh, that's pretty nice. Oh, here he goes. Here, this is typical Trevor's. I don't know how well you guys saw that. Looks like a nice brown. Let's see if we can get one too. He's about the same size as all the other ones we're catching right now. I'm putting on a, ooh, he's got a nice brown right now. I'm putting on a spinner. Exactly what he's using right there. The bait is just being a little tedious at the moment. He's struggling a bit with him. That's a nice one. I'll hold him up to the, I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, he's pretty nice.
Nice color.
Yeah, definitely. Oh my gosh, let me get that one. That is, oh, that's a, I saw that. That was so big. That's unfortunate. I was right there too. Could have grabbed him with the net and everything. He ain't biting again. He saw the whole plan in operation. Me and Trevor just got into a clearing. Just got out of all that crap right there. That was insane. Oh, that's great. Looks like it's nice and clear and open now right here. See, there's one underneath this flow here. Not an awful cast. Oh, we got one. We got one. We got a nice one. I knew there was one here. Oh, he's so yellow. Let's not lose him. Let's not lose him. Oh, yeah. All right. Very, very nice one. Nice and yellow. Good hook, too. Not bad. Not a bad hook. All right. Let's get these pliers out. All right. Let's get that spinner out of here. All right. This is very nice brown. Let's wet those hands. It's very, very yellow. Doesn't get much more beautiful than that. Let's give me that light. He looks, oh yeah, he looks real good in that light. All right. There he goes. Oh, that's a nice flow right there, Trevor. Don't screw up that spot. Nothing right here, though. Really? I'm gonna test that out. Perfect cast. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Huh. Wow. Got one. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's a... Oh no, I thought it was a native brook. Ah. Well, still really nice brown. That's good. I was like, Trevor, there's no way there's not a fish in here. Oh wow. All right. Got one. Right in the net you go. Another nice brown. Let's wet our hands. Right here. Now, let me get a better angle. Another nice brown. About 8 inches, maybe 9 if you're lucky. There he goes. Another nice brown. Oh, sorry. Another nice brown right here. Come back in it. Ooh, that's a good cast. Come on. Yes! Let's go. Oh, it's a native brookie. Hey, Brooke. Get in there. Yes! Let's go. All right, guys. It's got a nice little native brookie. About maybe 6 inches. All right. There he goes. All right, so we're heading back now. Heading back downstream to the car. We did pretty well. We caught, I'd say, around 20 browns and 2 brooks, which was a bit of a surprise to me. I wasn't expecting to catch any natives. It seems like the brown population in here really overtook the brook trout. But nothing seriously big, nothing like the last video. Last video, you know, they were stocked. These ones are all wild. You can always have that chance at that 20-inch brown, but I think the biggest we got was like maybe 13, 14 inches. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week.